Good morning.
Picnic with my best friends. We start to plan what we.
Sam and I are gonna go out for breakfast. We haven't been out on a breakfast date in so long. I actually haven't felt so good in this long as well because I don't really dress myself up anymore. I don't do my hair or my makeup every time I go out. I really treat it as like just an errand. So I don't bother putting on a lot of makeup or making myself feel good. It's very rare that I do get to fix myself nowadays, so it's the first time in a long time I'm actually really putting the effort. Kaya lang I only have 20 minutes to get ready because Sam is super duper hungry and I'm really hungry as well, so I'm gonna make this fast. Tumawad lang ako ng 25 minutes kay Sam. Honestly, the Dyson makes nicer curls, but this is faster. So pag nagmamadali ako, it's better to do like waves or curls using my flat iron. Hindi na siya masyadong umiinit. Okay, so today I think I'm just gonna go for a simple makeup look, as with all my other makeup looks. Powder and concealer. Because we are going out to brunch, I feel like I wanted to look like natural makeup. I'm gonna put concealer. This Asian Koan is really nice, very pigmented, but it's so hard to manipulate kasi parang ang tigas ng brush niya. I'm gonna add also the BLK brow lock. Just curl it old style. And so this is how I used to curl my hair before, like yung madalian. Voila. So I'm already in the car. I'm just waiting for Sam. Honestly, it feels so good knowing na hindi mo kailangan mag-face shield sa labas, lalo na sa init na to.
The back I leave open, diba?
Yeah. Oh, it's a tiny one. I wasn't talking about this one though. It's okay. Okay, it's alright. Yay! We're gonna eat out! After so long. Honestly, I can't believe we're up so early for breakfast.
I know of all the things to do to go out for its breakfast.
I know we've never done this in our whole relationship, diba? Like we've always got up.
I was stressed, okay?
We always get up for brunch, but never kami gumigising that early for breakfast. This is an achievement. Honestly, Sam, I'm sorry. I had my doubts. Akala ko hindi ka magigising ng maaga. Sinet myself up for disappointment ko na sarili ko kagabi. Love you.
Love you.
Oh my God, it feels so good to be out without a face shield. Woo.
Okay, so free, sort of.
I feel so free and sort of normal
Yeah.
in a way. So I've been craving wildflower for the longest time and I'm so happy we get to eat brunch here. Finally getting my first sip of coffee for the day and I'm so excited about our food. Sam ordered, I forgot the name of this meat. I think it's something with sausages, and I ordered the wildflower breakfast, which is my favorite because it has bacon and it looks so good. What's your favorite breakfast food? Mine will always have to be something either sweet and salty or sweet and savory.
you okay? Yeah, I'm fine.
We're in a mall without a face shield. Just gonna get a clamp. I'm just gonna buy a hair clamp from H&M.
Just need some fresh air and an old friend. I'm so glad that we started talking again. Yo, turn up the radio.
So we're at Medical City because I have to see my doctor for a checkup, and it's a long wait, so we're just amusing ourselves with our friend Snail. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye!
If I know you, I'll take the passenger seat.